duct over here. This is the pressure gauge. Then pressure will increase. You can see the pressure will increase. Now we have to connect this pneumatic duct from the air intake manifold to the 3x2 hand lever valve by means of this duct. So how to insert the duct? Insert the lock 30 বেরিয়ে গেছে, মানে এখন যে প্রেসারটা আছে সেটা কিন্তু তোমার
now the pressure has increased. So what is the pressure now? We can see, you can see two units are there. One is bar and one is psi. The outer one is shown as psi and the inner one is shown as bar. We in general keep it at 3 bar or about say 30 to 40 psi, then it will work well. Now sir will show you how to make these connections.
So how to make this connection? This is AFR unit, APR unit, you know. Now from the APR unit, the compressed air coming through this air intake manifold and for distribution block, right? Now you have to connect this pneumatic duct in any 3 ports. Say I am taking this port or this port or this port. Say I am taking this port. Just push it. Okay. This position is the closed position. If I open, just rotate anti-clockwise. Okay. Now again push it in the 3x2 hand lever valve in the inlet port.
And if you want to open it, then how to open?
Then this one is another pneumatic duct. You can push it here. And how to open it? At this position there is a bottleneck. Just place it down and you can remove this one. Just push it
That
to
blue,
fix.
that blue line.
Don't remove it by pressing this one. First this blue ring you have to press down, then you can easily open it. Clear? So now place it here. Now this is the single acting cylinder or actuator. Now you can insert it in same manner. Clear? Now if you pass the compressed air,
Nothing happening,
happening.
because neutral position.
Neutral position. Now this on position.
So you can connect it to this the first position of this valve. Pressure is connected to actuator, and the cylinder piston has moved, and so that has moved. Then
Clear?
if you see changing the position, then it is returning.
Okay. Clear?
Now if you want to control the speed, then what is to be done?
How to control the speed? First close this. Now remove this duct. These are flow control valve. This is in. This one is out. From the outlet port, if you insert this duct, then you keep it in position. Now what will happen? You can reduce the flow of air.
Now speed is, you can see the speed has decreased.
Reduce.
Here by rotating this knob, so once this knob, by rotating that knob, you can change the speed of this cylinder.
Now flow is so less that it cannot move. Clear?
At
I
least
am
some pressure.
gradually increasing the flow of air. Clear? Very slow. So clear? Any doubt?
Has everybody understood? Now once, so that that pneumatic motor, that speed can be very much understood by this electric pneumatic motor. By this flow control valve, the electric motor can
be controlled.
be controlled.
How to do that? Why is my air intake manifold? This one. So, what is the output? Here is the output. So first you have to stop this. Then open the duct. Here is the pneumatic motor. By pressing, then on this, if you press this, the motor will go.
You can see speed is varying. Isn't it interesting?
To change the speed as per your requirement. If you set one RPM meter here, you can check the RPM. Like your EV, if you make an EV, you want to change the control. Pneumatic EV, this way you can control.
There are vehicles, pneumatic vehicles.
Clear?
So all of you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how was it? So what are the applications? As I have told you, we have seen it already in this kind of movement, that is automatic closing and opening of metro rails, the doors of the metro rails, or in some buses you have seen. Okay, by the driver is opening or closing the door, that is hand operated, and in metro rail the closing and opening of doors by using some sensors. Here we can see that some sensors are there. Here some touch sensor or this kind of sensors will be there, or this proximity sensor will be there, or this touch sensor will be there. So by there will be other kind of sensors, by that we can automatically switch on or switch off the doors, or there you can do some programs, and accordingly by some timings it will be done. Okay, so is that clear, everybody? Fine. Now we will be seeing 5x2 valve, manual control. So 5x2 valve, hold it. Let us draw the circuit here first. So in 5x2 valve, and we will be controlling a double acting cylinder. So in that case, you know, this 5x2 valve is there. So there will be 5 ports. Okay, 5 ports in one configuration. This pressure port, pressure port is connected to, say, actuator port or number 1 actuator port, and it is connected to, say, this port. Say this is one release port, and one release port is say closed. Okay, and in another configuration, this A port will be connected to this release port will be closed, and this pressure port is connected to this say B port, and there will be a double acting cylinder acting here. So this is the symbol of double acting cylinder, and from these two sides, say this is connected to this, and this is say connected to this. So when suppose there is a solenoid, or here in case of manual we are again using a lever. So when in one position of the lever, this is connected to this pressure port, is connected to, say, this actuator A port or number 1 port, and here down this a piston here will move in this direction, or piston rod will be moving, means we can see the piston rod is moving in this direction, and air inside will coming out this, and will be by this port air will be vented out. And in another configuration, in another position of the lever, we can see that A port is connected to this. So from here it is coming, and through this pressure will be released, and pressure port is connected to B port, and so it is coming, and through this B port it will go, and this piston will move in this direction, and air will be vented out through this. Okay, so we will be now connecting this 5x2 valve. So here is the where is the 5x2 valve? Here 5/2 hand valve. Here 5/2 hand lever valve. Now let us make the connections.
Compressor will come here in this position. If the on position and compressor coming here, you should not open this. First always off the air intake manifold, then you open this. Otherwise what will happen? If I leave it, what will happen? You cannot catch again.
And also
So
it will
this is very dangerous.
it will be very dangerous. It will slap you very hardly.
Randomly and turbulence will happen.
Here the pressure is low, but now if the pressure is very high, then what will happen?
If
Cannot-
the pressure is very high and the duct is very long, what will happen? You
Huge
cannot
accident.
escape from here. Okay. So
Start doing the you first make the circuit, okay, by yourself. Make the circuit. You have learned, now you make the circuit by yourself.
try call.
One pressure port. Try. Go. See, you can see the figure. Pressure port is connected to in. So where is in? Yes, very good. Yes. Now double acting cylinders. You open those. Yes. Very good. Fine. Both of them you open. Fine. Now corresponding, leave it. Yes. Correspondingly, one by one. Yes. Fine. Very good. Okay. The circuit is completed. Now you open the duct and control the lever now. Yeah. You can see. Now no flow. In that case, flow control valve is to be connected also. Okay, you do it.
It can control the flow over there also. There is a flow control valve already given.
Yes.
Thing is here.
So you have understood and you are now able to make these kind of circuits. Okay. Fine. So this is very much important, and next day we'll be learning electro-pneumatic and PLC control. Okay. Bye.